everyone, welcome back. I am Akanksha. Today I'll be doing this bronze eye look that can be worn at any special occasion or party. So let's just start. I'm starting my skin prep by using Prep Plus Prime by MAC. And to add a little bit sheen to my base, I am using the Strobe Cream by MAC. Giving a gentle massage while doing a skin prep is always good for our skin because it helps in blood flow on our face and it also gives a very good result. I'm using this Derma palette for my base, applying this orange corrector in the areas where I have pigmentation like on my chin, under my eyes, and to cover the orange corrector I am using this D4 number. Next I am using D3 for the base, applying it all over my face with my fingers only. Blending it with a damp beauty sponge. Whenever I have to do a long lasting makeup, I prefer to use a Derma palette. It is sweat proof, it's long lasting, it doesn't crease, and it gives you flawless finish. Here giving a finishing touch with foundation brush. Using the shade from MAC palette to contour my face. I'm applying it under my cheekbones, my nose, along my jawline, and a little bit on my forehead also. As I mentioned earlier also, we do contouring in the areas where we wanted to appear smaller or sharp. So I am just blending it with the same brush. Since it is a party makeup, I thought of doing a full contour routine. Usually I don't prefer to do cream contouring. And to highlight the high planes of my face, I am using this concealer by Fit Me under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and just under the contour placement on my cheeks. Blending everything out with a damp beauty sponge. Just make sure that everything is blended nicely, otherwise it might look odd. There should not be any harsh lines. Next I am fixing it up with a fixing powder just so it doesn't move. Starting with my eye makeup using this LA Girl Brow Pomade, brushing my brow hair upwards with the help of this spoolie, and using this angular brush I am filling up the sparse area. Just make sure not to fill too much in the beginning of the brows to avoid look unnatural. Giving a very gentle stroke in the beginning of my brows. To keep the brows set in place, brushing them one more time. I'm gonna use these two shades for my eye makeup. And using the light shade on my crease, blending it gently with the help of this blending brush. Next, taking this brown eye pencil by Faces, applying it on my lids to create a base for my eye makeup. Just smudging this out with the smudger brush. Make sure to blend it nicely. Now taking the dark brown shadow to set the eye pencil. Applying it all over my lid. Next, from this color black palette, I am taking this brown shadow and applying it with my finger on my entire eyelid. Focusing on the center of my eyelids, it will just pop up my eye makeup. Going to go back one more time with the blending brush just to make sure that everything is blended nicely. Applying the brown eye pencil on my lower lash line. And applying the black eye pencil in my waterline. Setting my lower lash line with the dark brown eye shadow, which I have used on my lids. Now I'm gonna use this light shimmer shade to highlight my inner corners and brow bone. Finishing my eye makeup by curling my lashes first and then applying a coat of mascara by Benefit. And completing my eye makeup by applying a pair of false eyelashes. Dusting off the excess powder and just sweeping along all over my face. This way my whole face gets set without looking powdery and cakey. Blending the lower lash line one more time just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Using this shade from Revolution palette to do the powder contouring in the areas where I have done cream contouring. Next, I'm gonna apply this shade to add some colors to my cheeks. Now taking this shade to highlight the high planes of my face. And I'm using the same brush which I have used for the blush, but the opposite side. And this Revolution palette is a very good combination of nude and warm shades. Nudes for highlight purpose and warm for contouring purpose. Coming to the lips, I'm gonna use this lip pencil by PAC. I'm gonna lip line and fill in my lips with the same pencil. It's a very beautiful nude shade. We'll be mentioning the details in the description box so you can refer. I prefer to apply matte shades these days to avoid smudging and spreading because we all have to wear masks and it really helps. And to complete my makeup using this setting spray by Maybelline. So this is the completed bronze eye makeup look that can be worn at any special occasion or party. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it really motivates me to make new videos for you guys. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.